In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime Live photos not saving on your iPhone, specifically for devices running iOS 15 or later. If you've ever tried to capture the perfect FaceTime moment with live photos, only to later find it missing, don't worry. We'll walk through some straightforward steps to resolve this issue and ensure those live memories are safely stored on your phone. First, let's ensure that your iPhone's FaceTime Live Photos setting is enabled. To do this, open your Settings app, scroll down to the Apps section and tap on FaceTime. Here, you'll want to double check that FaceTime Live Photos is turned on. This setting allows you to capture those live animated photos during a FaceTime call, so it's crucial for the feature to work correctly. Next, it's important to consider the devices involved in the FaceTime call. Make sure both your iPhone and the device you're video calling support live photos. Additionally, both users need to have the live photos feature enabled. If either device has it disabled or is an unsupported model, the live photo capturing capability simply won't work. So if possible, communicate with the person you're calling to confirm their settings are correct. Moving on, let's talk about permissions, which can often be a culprit behind various app-related issues. On your iPhone, go back to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. From here, navigate to Photos and find FaceTime in the list of apps. It's important that FaceTime is set to either Add Photos Only or Full Access. These settings will ensure that your device is able to store live photos seamlessly. Another crucial factor is keeping your iOS updated. Software updates often contain bug fixes and improvements that can resolve unexpected issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, select General and tap Software Update. If a new version is available, install it. This might just be the fix you need. Finally, let's discuss storage space. Your iPhone needs adequate space to save new live photos. To check your available storage, head to Settings once again, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you'll see how much space you have left. If you're running low, consider deleting some unused apps, old messages, or large files to make more room. By following these steps, you're setting up your iPhone to successfully capture and store live photos during your FaceTime calls. Remember, the key is making sure settings are correctly configured and that there's enough room and support from both devices. Hopefully this helps you keep those delightful moments as live photos for you to enjoy later. Thanks for watching and happy FaceTiming.